By 1835, Cherokees had been negotiating with the federal government for years, even going to the Supreme Court, trying to protect their fertile, resource-rich homelands in the southeastern U.S. But on December 29, 1835, an unauthorized faction of Cherokees signed this infamous document, the Treaty of New Echota. The treaty ceded all Cherokee lands east of the Mississippi River to the United States in exchange for lands out west and $5 million, which wasn't paid until the 1900s. While the treaty was overwhelmingly protested by the majority of Cherokees, it was too late. Our tribal members were removed from their homes and forced to move to Indian Territory on what's been named the Trail of Tears. 3 years after the treaty was signed, on December 31, 1838, President Martin Van Buren signed this document, the Cherokee Nation Land Patent. The patent provided the Cherokee Nation with the title to its new tribal lands, which totaled 13.5 million acres in what is now the state of Oklahoma. These two documents ultimately secured the Cherokee Nation the right to make and carry out laws, as the Cherokees deemed necessary, to govern and protect the people and property within their own country. They are still referenced today in legal proceedings.